Welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a crispy, flaky and super satisfying snack, egg puff. This is a no oven version that's easy to make at home with basic ingredients. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup flour. Add 1 teaspoon ajwain, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Egg puffs are one of the most popular snacks in South Indian bakeries. Mix well. Adding ajwain not only boosts taste but helps digestion. Then add 1/3 cup water gradually to make a soft dough. The flaky layers are inspired by puff pastry but made here without an oven. Rub a little oil on top and keep it aside. Let the dough rest to make it more easier to roll. Now prepare the filling. Heat 2 tablespoon oil. Add half cup chopped onions, 2 green chilli, and 3 tablespoon boiled green peas. Half teaspoon salt. Add half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and half teaspoon chaat masala. Always cook the onion mixture until the raw smell disappears. Add 2 tablespoon water and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until everything is well blended. To make the layers, mix 3 tablespoon corn flour with 2 to 3 teaspoon ghee. This will create a flaky texture. This snack is loved across all ages, from lunchboxes to tea time plates. Now divide your dough into 5 equal portions and roll each into a roti. Spread the ghee corn flour mix on top of each. And stack them one over the other. Roll the dough gently and cut into small pieces. Peas add fiber, vitamins, and a natural touch of sweetness. Homemade snacks avoid preservatives and are easy to customize. Take one piece, roll it out again. Trim the edges to neaten it. Add a spoon of the cooked onion piece mixture. and slice of boiled egg. Use boiled egg that are cooled and firm to avoid breaking during sealing. Fold it and seal the edges using a fork. Heat oil on medium flame. Fry the puffs for 7 to 8 minutes or until they are golden and crispy. Fry on medium heat to ensure the layers puff up evenly and don't burn. Ajwain helps reduce bloating and adds aroma. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and healthy fats. And just like that, crispy, spicy homemade egg puffs are ready. Have you ever tried making egg puffs at home? Would you like to see a vegetarian version next? What's your favorite snack to have with tea? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more no oven recipes. Thank you so much for watching No Oven Cake and Cookies. Try this egg puff recipe at home and share it with your friends and family. We'll be back soon with another tasty treat. Until then, happy cooking!